Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about Map.clear. So, what it does is, if you made a map, and as the name suggests, you can clear it. So, let me show you. Create a map with map one, name it, and use a map constructor. And now, what we're gonna do is use map one dot set pass bar and pass. It was it first, and now what we're gonna do is create another map and use set and pass one comma like foo maybe. So what we're gonna happen is now we have two map, and if we log the map one size dot size, it will show, it has a property which you can show to check size of the map. So if you check that, you will find two. What I just did, oh, so about that, it's a constructor. So when we do that, it will say 2, and now you can clear it by map 1 dot clear. It has a function, it is a function though. When you do that and log it on a console, use map 1 dot size. When we do that, it will say 0 because it doesn't have anymore. Maybe we deleted it through clear function. So in this case, it's called method because it's inside an object. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys next time.